Hi everyone, so it's been a little time that I've actually made a video, but I'm back today with the challenge by the Crafting Diva is to make a card using the template that she sets out every month. So at the end of each month we will have completed a card in our own theme using her templates. So I'll leave this month, sorry for the wobbling, I'm on a different desk. So I'll leave the template in the corner over here somewhere. I'll put it up, the one that was for this month. I'll also leave in the description all the lovely ladies that are taking part. There are so many creators here on YouTube that are taking part. And yeah, so this month I actually decided to go with the Easter theme, being Easter Sunday. And even though I haven't been making videos for a while, I have been buying a few different crafty bits. I have purchased these new little dies here, the little square dies that I have used to make the square pieces of the design. And also the Happy Easter is a new die in my collection. And what I've basically used, I've used the craft card as my base, and then I've actually used some of the yellow textured card from Precision Cardstock. And then I had this offcut, which is the blue paper at the bottom with the bunting, and that is from the Simple Stories collection, and I've used that just to offset my bunnies there. And I really like the bunting because it just reminds me of Easter when you have the bunting out, and also the flowers and the butterflies, but kind of covered one of the butterflies and the flowers. I've actually kind of covered the flowers there. And then I actually used, I'm just having a look. This is an old punch that I purchased from Aldi. They do have some really cute craft bits from time to time. Somewhere really good to look out for hole punches, paper. Sometimes I've seen they do little bits like sequins and little embellishments. Really good place to pick up just some of those little bits that you may want to add to your collection. So yeah, this is my card for this month's challenge, and I will see you guys next month for next month's challenge. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying subscribed while I was away from my channel, and I'll see you for lots of lovely creative projects. Enjoy your Easter. Bye.